Harsh from 4th standard. I am going to tell you about how much green vegetables you need to eat. The recommended dietary allowance of green leafy vegetables for an adult woman is 100 grams day. Adult man is 40 grams day. Preschool and for boys and girls 50 grams day. List of green vegetables. Some of green vegetables to incorporate into your diet are spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, celery, peas, bitter gourd, coriander leaves, cucumber, okra and microgreens. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shreya. I am studying 4th standard. I am going to tell you about Know Your Greens. Eat your greens. It's good advice. Green foods are packed with vitamin, minerals and antioxidants. I am going to tell you about health benefits. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Support vision and skin health. Boosts your immune system. Helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Antioxidant reduce stress. Thank you.